Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to see what is variables and how can we use these variables inside DAX. So let's see how these variables are useful inside Power BI. So what exactly this variable means inside Power BI? So this variable is nothing but which helps to store and reuse values which we frequently use inside and measure. So if we don't want to repeat the values or formulas which we require frequently, then this variable will help us to store those measures so that we can use inside the DAX function. So let us see how these variables are used inside Power BI. So now we are inside Power BI. So I'm going to calculate profit margin. So for that I need to divide my total profit with respect to my total sales. So for that I can directly create a measure which will divide my total profit by total sales. So I can use my divide function and I can directly sum up my profit column and in the denominator I can again calculate my total sales. So in this way we can find our profit margin by using our repeated calculations. So instead of using these repeated values and functions, we can use these variables to store these values and functions which are used very frequently, so that our DAX measure will look very clean. So I will create a new measure so that we will see how these variables are used. So let me write as profit margin. So I'll give a variable A and I will use my total sales measure which is already created, and then I will assign another variable called B, and here I will use my total profit measure which we have already. So now we can use these two variables inside our divide function so that it looks very clean, and it also helps in the performance aspect of this measure. So after assigning the variables, I have to write a return. So after this I will use these variables for my calculation. So let me write my divide function. So in the numerator I will call my first second variable, because there we have stored our total profit, and then I can call my total sales variable. So now you can see this DAX measure which looks very clean, and it also helps in the performance of this measure. So now our measure is completed, and now I can use this measure in our report. So I will use my card visual, and now you can see our overall profit margin values, and I will also change the format of this measure. So I want to see it in a percentage. So now it looks very clean. So now the overall profit margin for our stored sales is here. So in this way we can use our variables to write our DAX measure in a very cleaner way, and it also helps to store values inside our measure. So thanks for watching this video.